Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 1, that is programming techniques. Okay, first of all, some of the previous knowledge. In the previous lessons we defined a problem, that what is a problem and how we can define it. Then we discussed the problem analysis, that how we can analyze the problem from different aspects, and how we can analyze the problem keeping in view the time, cost and resources which are required for solving any problem. So that is the overall purpose of problem analysis that we discussed in the last lessons. After that we discussed the planning of the solution, and in which we concluded that there may be several possible solutions for a single problem. So today we will see that how we can select the best solution out of the available possible solutions for any problem. Candid solution of a problem. Candid solution means best solution of a problem. Solution is the act or process of solving a problem to obtain the desired optimal result with minimum cost. Optimal results means satisfactory results or best results with minimum cost. There may be several alternatives for solving the problem, as we discussed earlier, that there may be several possible solutions, several possible alternatives for solving a single problem. However, finding the best and the most suited solution is called candid solution of the problem. Okay, now selecting the best solution. The following factors are very important in selecting the best solution of any problem. The first one, that is speed. That is the first metric or parameter for measuring the efficiency of any solution. So to develop an efficient solution for solving the problems, the time it uses is the measure of the efficiency of that solution, that how much time it takes to solve the problem. That is the first factor which must be taken into which must be considered at first place, that is the speed of the solution. Second, cost. Cost of a solution includes space and other hardware and software requirements. And in simple words we can say cost means the expenses which are required, or the money and the resources which are required for the solution, whether those expenses are affordable for a person or not. So that is actually another factor which is very important for selecting the best solution, that whether the cost and expenses which are required for any solution to be implemented, whether they are affordable or not. So the cost means includes space. Space means memory space, or you can say the storage capacity which is required for any solution, and the hardware and software requirements. The solution will be considered to be the best one if it gives optimal desired result with minimum cost. So as we discussed in the first step, that we need such a solution which is efficient. Efficient means which is capable of performing more work in limited time and in limited resources. So cost is also one of the factors. Third factor is complexity. Complexity of the solution means the resources required by the solution, as we discussed here. Resources means memory space, hardware and software requirements which are required for any solution to be implemented, most commonly known as the time. Time means the CPU time. that how much time it will take from the central processing unit to be executed and to perform any function. Second, complexity measurement, that is how many steps it needs, and the space means memory space that the solution will occupy. So the number of steps and the memory space that a solution occupies is also a measure of complexity of the problem. So these are the three factors which must be taken into account while selecting the best solution for any problem. So we have to see the speed of the solution, that how quickly it performs the function and how quickly it solves the problem. Second, the cost, that whether it is affordable or not. And third, complexity, that whether that how many time it takes from the CPU and how many steps it performs to give the solution of the problem, and how much memory space it occupies while solving the problem. So these are the three factors for selecting the best solution of the problem. If a solution satisfies all these three factors, it means that the solution is a candidate solution of the problem, or you can say the best solution of the problem. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.